I have in front of me a bunch of Jabra wireless headsets. Now they're all designed for different applications. It can be quite confusing as far as which Jabra wireless headset you should purchase. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my absolute favorite best Jabra wireless headset for 2022. So let's cut through the noise and get started right now. For those of you that are new here, my name is David. This is the channel Headset Advisor, where we review and compare all the latest headsets, speakerphones, and webcams to help you make a better buying decision. So hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos just like this one. When you do a search online for Jabra wireless headset, you're going to come up with a lot of options, including the ones you see here, as well as all the different versions of each of these headsets. It can get very confusing very quickly. Now, to get started, to kind of narrow it down, you have to decide what kind of devices you're connecting to. So if you're trying to connect to a desk phone, like a Yealink desk phone or a Poly desk phone, we'll put it up on the screen just so you know what I'm talking about here. You're going to look at the options to your left here, and that is going to be the Jabra 9400 series. These are discontinued, replaced by the Jabra Engage series, and then you have the Jabra 920 that you see here. And it just depends if you want to connect to multiple devices, such as your computer and your mobile phones. Then you'll look at the different Jabra Engage series headsets. So let's get the Jabra 9400 out of the way. If you want to connect to a desk phone only, you'll want to look at the Jabra Pro 920. If you want to connect to a desk phone and a computer, you're going to want to look at the Jabra Engage 65. And then if you're looking to connect to your desk phone, computer, and your Bluetooth devices, you'll want to look at the Jabra Engage 75, as it allows you to use one headset for all your communication needs, which these are very great headsets, but they are not what I would consider the best headset for Jabra in 2022, because desk phones are kind of going the way of the dinosaur and they're becoming extinct. So moving forward, phones are going to be used always on the computer or a mobile device in the future. So let's just adopt that technology and move forward with that right now. So that's where we got our Jabra Evolve series wireless headsets. You have the Jabra Evolve 75, which is one of the most popular wireless headsets for Jabra, except the fact that it's been replaced by the Jabra Evolve 275. They've updated it, made even better technology with it, which we'll go over more later. Then you have the Evolve 265. This is more your entry level, does not have active noise cancellation, has 3 microphones on the noise canceling mic instead of 8 microphones on the Evolve 275. And then for those of you that really want the best music audio experience, we have the Evolve 285. And this is the sand color, so it's really standing out here. And it looks really nice, but it is a little bit more on the premium side. It will cancel out almost any background noise that you have around you so you can focus in on your work. But it is overkill for a lot of people and not affordable if you're trying to deploy to a lot of people in general. So there are alternative options. So that all being said is you have quite a few options, but what I'm going to show you is my #1 favorite headset for 2022. I've reviewed all of these headsets, done microphone tests on them. We'll put a link in the video description below to all of the different videos we did on all these headsets. You can't go wrong with any of them. They did a really good job in making them. But the Jabra Evolve 275 is my absolute favorite Jabra wireless headset right now. And the reason for that is because mainly the microphone on this headset has 8 microphones built in, and they did a fantastic job of noise canceling and also keeping the quality of voice rich, deep, and sounds more natural than some other noise canceling microphones. And we're gonna demo that later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. We're even gonna test it against a blender so you can hear for yourself the sound quality of this microphone. But in addition to the noise canceling microphone, it actually has a microphone boom that folds out of the way. So it's what I call headphone mode. So it looks less like a headset and more like traditional headphones, and makes it so when you're listening to music or a podcast, you can just flip up that microphone boom and get it out of the way and enjoy your music. But then when you're ready to have phone calls or video meetings, like a lot of us are doing Zoom or Microsoft Teams video meetings, you can just drop down that microphone boom and take your phone call or do your video meeting and have a lot better voice quality on that microphone. Unlike the lower end model, the Jabra Evolve 265, the Evolve 275 has active noise cancellation feature. So it helps you block out background noise so you can really focus in on your work or your phone calls without distracting noises. And a lot of us are working from home. We have barking dogs, we have kids. Maybe your neighbor's trying to mow their lawn next to you and you're really trying to zone in on your work or your meetings. You can activate the active noise cancellation feature, which helps block out that background noise. And the Evolve 275 has improved their ear cushions. They now use two different types of foam, and I thought originally when the marketing video came out on this headset that it was just a marketing gimmick, but you can actually feel the difference in the ear cushions, that the harder one is on the outside edge, which helps create a seal on your ears to just passively block out background noise. And the inner cushion is softer and makes it feel like you're wearing clouds on your ears. It's so soft and plush. So they did a really good job of improving the comfort level on this headset. And just overall, from battery life to being able to use as a full wired headset to the new and improved noise canceling microphone, this headset by far my absolute favorite Jabra wireless headset right now. So let's demo the noise canceling mic so you can hear for yourself the sound quality of this microphone. Headset Advisor is a family-owned business founded by my father, Doug Merritt, in 1994. Our mission has always been to provide you such great service, you'd be our customer for life, and refer your friends. You wouldn't think choosing a headset for your business needs would be a challenge. With all the different brands, models, and misinformation online, it quickly gets confusing and can be a frustrating experience. When you work with us, we have all the answers to your questions and can quickly match you with the best compatible headset for your unique needs. We provide just about any headset you need and are experts with all of them, so we have no vested interest which brand or model you choose. Our goal is to ensure you get the right headsets based on what's most important to you. Also, we're experts with all headsets brands we provide, so we're here to help ensure you have a great working headset at all times. You're never passed off to the manufacturer or third-party source for support. Whether you have a question about compatibility, need a recommendation, or want help with your existing headsets, contact us today, and one of our advisors in California are here and ready to assist. So what did you think of the overall sound quality performance of the Jabra Evolve 275, both as far as sound quality in a quiet environment, just the quality of your voice, and then the second part, the noise canceling mic, how well did it perform against all of our tests? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Would love to hear what you think about it. Now, we've tested every Jabra wireless headset on this channel, and in my personal opinion, I think this Jabra Evolve 275 sounds the absolute best as far as all the Jabra wireless headsets go. what they did with the microphone, having the 8 microphones, 4 analog, 4 digital microphones built in that boom, I think is absolutely outstanding. So really enjoy the audio quality, but curious to hear your feedback on that. Now with the Jabra Evolve 275, there's a couple things to keep in mind. This headset is designed for someone who is trying to be as productive as possible. It could work great in a call center type environment where you have a lot of loud, distracting noises. In an office environment where you just really want to focus in on your calls, you don't want to hear the gossip going around you in the office, or if you're working from home and you have distracting noises like I mentioned earlier, dogs, lawnmowers, those types of things, this will help you focus in on your work and block out a lot of those distracting noises. And of course, that microphone will make you sound crystal clear even with those noises going on. But the drawback here is the price point is $349 without the charging base, or $399 with the charging stand. But of course, for you, our loyal viewers and subscribers on YouTube, make sure you use coupon code Jabra, all one word. It's going to get you a big discount on these headsets if you order them from our website. And we do have bulk price discounts available, so you can email us info@headsetadvisor.com and we can get you a quote if you're looking for 10 or more of these. Well, that's all I got for you on this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see some comparisons with this Jabra Evolve 275, check out the comparison video we did right there. We do a mic test of both the headsets so you can hear them side by side, as well as hearing all the different Evolve 2 series headsets right here in the comparison video we did there. Well, I really appreciate you watching this video, taking the time. Thanks a lot. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.